Hello everyone. Welcome back to Excel How to Start series. In day 4, the link will appear here and you can find it in the description as well. We tried cell styles, then explored workbook themes. We learned how to manually format cells and ranges and checked how to add beautiful borders. Today, we will continue our journey and explore new functionalities of Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to morethanexcel.com. My name is Mahmoud Basyouni. If you just joined us, please subscribe or follow our pages and surely do not forget to like our content. After learning how to format our spreadsheet with cell styles, themes and manually, we must talk about creating our own cell styles and themes. Let's select cell E9, expand our cell styles, and click on New Cell Style. The style window appears, asking for a style name. Let's call it My Style. Below the name, the window mentions the current formatting, the number, alignment, font, borders, the fill, and protection of the selected cell. If I'm okay with the current styling, I will just click OK. If I want to adjust my formatting, I just have to press the Format button, and it will take me to the Format Cells window. Let's give it a fill of light green. Press OK. My style has been added to the styles, and I still have the possibilities to apply it, modify it, duplicate it, or delete it. As for the themes, we need to customize our colors. Then customize our fonts, choose our effects, then click on Themes and choose Save Current Theme. Once saved, you can share it or browse and apply it. To clear our formatting, Excel has the best solution. Let's copy the full range and put it here. We go to our Home tab, then Editing. We click on Clear. We have the possibilities to clear all. It will remove all the formatting and the content. We can clear formats and keep the content, or clear contents and keep the formatting. To explore our next tool, I will clear the formats. One of the greatest tools in all Office or Microsoft apps is Format Painter. It's this paintbrush in the clipboard group in Home tab. It helps us to replicate the formatting to other cell or cells. Let's select any of my headers. Press on the Format Painter. The cursor changes to Format tool. Once we click on any of the headers in my unformatted range, the format is applied to the new cell and the cursor is back as General tool. However, if we select A2, click on Format Painter, click on H2 and drag till H8, all the cells takes the new format and the cursor is changed back to General tool. A nice trick is to select A1, double-click on the Format Painter, the cursor changed to Format tool. If I click on I1, the cursor is still in format mode. I can click on other cell and we can keep going as much as we want. To exit format mode, we can press on Format Painter once or just press Escape. Last example, let's select our first range, click on Format Painter, and select the full second range. The format is applied to the second range. I will insert now a row on top of my range, and I will give my range a title in A1, Car Dealer Stock. Let's select from A1 till E1. In the alignment group, there is a Merge and Center button. If I click on it, the full selection turns into one cell, center aligned, and has now only one cell address, which is the first one from the top left, A1. If I enter in the cell address B1, the address changes to A1 immediately. To remove the Merge and Center, I can press again on Merge and Center button, or press this little arrow and choose Unmerge Cells. While the top cells still selected, let's see what other options we have. Let's click on this small arrow again and choose Merge Across. The full selection turns into one cell again, but no alignment has been applied. Let's try the last one. I will press Ctrl Z and choose from the drop-down Merge Cells. It has the same result as Merge Across. So why do we have two functionalities that give the same output? To find out, let's use a range with multiple rows and columns. I will select the range from B3 till D9. Let's keep an eye on the alignment. It's currently middle and left aligned. Once we click on Merge and Center, a message pops up telling me that the only value that will not be discarded is the value of the top left cell. If I click OK, the top left cell is kept and merged across my selection. It is vertically aligned in the middle of the new cell and horizontally centered. The cell address is B3, which is the cell address of the top left cell of the range selected. If I click Unmerge Cells, the full range has the formatting of the top left cell. The cells are not merged anymore, but my data is lost. So take care, since once I merge my cells, any data other than the top left will be discarded and you won't be able to get it back. Let's now check Merge Across. I press Ctrl Z twice and make sure that my range is still selected, then click on Merge Across. Excel will prompt me with the same message. If I click Yes, the first row of my range is merged with the same alignment. Then Excel asks me again for the next row and will keep asking me for each row of my selected range. So Merge Across will merge my range row by row, keeping the same alignment. To check the last option, I will press Ctrl Z, and while my range is still selected, I will press on Merge Cells. Click OK on the message. The full range is merged in one cell, aligned vertically in the middle, but the horizontal alignment doesn't change. So Merge Cell will not touch your vertical alignment, but will work only on your horizontal. Well, that was it for day 5 in Excel How to Start series. If you didn't subscribe, please do it and activate the bell to get notified of our new content. Also share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. I will surely get back to you. See you in our next video on morethanexcel.com.